Morning children, this is Pushpalata ma'am. Today we are going to learn subject maths class 2 chapter 5 money children. Last class I explained children. Do you remember coins, currency notes children? Today I am going to teach you adding rupees. The objects in each basket are of different values. Tick correct the box where the sum of the values of the objects make 100 rupees. Here baskets given children. In this basket some objects are there. Ball, bat, duck. See children. Here cost of ball is 10 rupees. Cost of bat is 50 rupees. Cost of ball is 10 rupees, cost of bat is 50 rupees, cost of duck is 20 rupees. Total sum of these objects are equal to or 100. Make 100 or not, you see children. If not 100 means you had to cross the mark in the box. 10 plus 50 60, 60 plus 20 80. The objects may not make 100 rupees. So you have to write wrong. Next basket, see children, toys are there. Teddy bear, cap, car. See children, 50 rupees teddy bear. 50 plus 25 75, 75 plus 25 100. So the sum of the values of the objects make rupees 100. So you have to write tick, correct tick. Okay children. Next basket, some objects are there. Bat, toy, boat toy is there. So cost of the boat toy is 20 rupees, 45 rupees and 20 rupees. See children, 45 plus 20 how much children? 65, 65 plus 20. 70, 85. Not the sum of the values of the objects not make 100 rupees. So what you have to do children? Wrong. You had to write wrong. Come to the next basket. See children, here some toys are there. What is the cost? 35 rupees. Do the total children. The sum of the values of objects make 100 rupees or not, you see children. 35 plus 30 70, 70 plus 30 100. Yes. So 100 rupees, no, the sum of the values of basket make 100 rupees. So you have to write correct. Tick the correct. Come to the next basket. See children, some toys are there. 40 rupees, 40 rupees, 10 rupees. 40 plus 40 how much children? 80 rupees. 80 plus 10 90 rupees. The sum of the values of the objects not make 100 rupees. So you have to write wrong. Okay children, come to the next basket. See children, some toys are there. 30 rupees, 35 rupees and 35 rupees. 35 and 35 70. 70 plus 30 how much children? 100 rupees. So correct. Okay children, this is the adding rupees children. Adding rupees like this. 10 plus 10 how much children? 20. Like this in the mind you have to do addition and you have to tick the objects where the sum of the values of the objects make 100 rupees or not. Okay children, coming to the next addition of rupees and pies. Addition of rupees and pies. Remember children, always, you know, last chapter addition chapter, you know how to do additions, no children. Here we are doing rupees and pies addition. Okay children, remember children, always pies are added with pies and rupees are added with rupees. Don't forget to write your answer in rupees and pies. I told you no, rupees symbol I told you no children. This is rupees symbol. This is pice symbol. You don't forget, remember, once again I am explaining you. Pice are added with pice. Always you have to do add pice with pice. And rupees are added with rupees. And don't forget to write your answer in rupees and pice. Okay children, now do these sums children. First one is done for you. I will explain you children. This is pice symbol. This is rupees symbol children. You say, see children, 54 rupees 30 pice, 18 rupees 20 pice. You have to add 54 rupees 30 pice and 18 rupees 20 pice. Now I told you no children, you had to add pice, add with pice. Only you add pice and you write here answer. Rupees you have to add and write rupees answer here. And in the answer, rupees symbol you have to write pice symbol. Okay children, is it clear children? Remember, pice are added with pice and rupees are added with rupees. Don't forget to write your answer in rupees and pice. Okay children, let's start. Now 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 always 0. 0 plus 0 how much children? 0. Now 3 plus 2. 3 in the mind. Take 2 fingers children. You open 2 fingers. 3 in the mind. 3 after 4, 5. 5 you write children. Now how many pies children? 50 pies. Okay children, come to the rupees. 4 in the mind, 8 in the hand. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How much you got children? 12. So 2 in ones place you write and carry on 110. Okay children? 2 you write, 12 you got answer no children. 2 you have to write in ones place and carry on 110. Now count the tens place. Okay children, always you do addition from ones place, next tens place. Now tens place carry on 1 is there no? 1 in the mind, 5 in the hand. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 6 in the mind, down 1 is there now. See children, 1. So 6 in the mind, 7. Here you got 72 rupees. So you had to write rupees symbol, pice symbol. 72 rupees and 50 pice. Understood children? 5 more sums I will explain you. You listen children. Come to the next sum. Here 52 rupees, 71 pice plus 37 rupees 20 pice. This is the plus symbol, addition. This is the symbol of addition. Symbol for addition. Here this is pice and this is rupees. Now what you have to do? You have to do addition, pice with pice, rupees with rupees. Okay children, 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 how much children? 1. 1 plus 0, 1. Come to the tens place, 7 in the mind, 2 in the hand. 7 after 8, 9. Okay children. Now add 52 rupees plus 37 rupees children. Now here ones place 2 plus 7. 2 in the mind, 7 in the hand. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write 9 children here. Now 5 plus 3. 5 in the mind, 3 in the hand. 5 after 6, 7, 8. Write here 8 children. 89 rupees 91 pice. Okay children, come to the next one. 370 rupees 38 pice plus 128 rupees 17 pice you have to add children. Now 8 in the mind, 7 in the hand. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Write here 5 children. 5. 15 in the 15 number, 5 here you have to write ones place, 1 you have to carry on 110. 1 in the mind, 3 in the hand, 1 after 2, 3, 4. 4 in the mind, 1 in the hand, 4 after 5, 55 pies. Now add rupees, children. 0 plus 8, 8. Always you remember, if you add any number with 0, you will get same number. Next tens place, 7 in the mind, 2 in the hand, 7 after 8, 9. Next 100 place, 3 in the mind, 1 in the hand, 3 after 4, 498 rupees, 55 pies. Come to the next sum, children. Had to add 507 rupees, 48 pies plus 27 rupees, 15 pies. Now first you have to add pies with pies. Next rupees with rupees. 8 in the mind, 5 in the hand. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 number 3, ones place 3. 3 you have to write in ones place, carry on 110. 1 in the hand, 4 in the 1 in the mind, 4 in the hand. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in the mind, 1 in the hand. 5 after 6. You have to write 6 here. 63 pies. Now come to the rupees. 7 plus 7. 7 in the mind, 7 in the hand. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So you have to write 4 here, carry on 110. Okay, children. 1 in the mind, 0 in the hand. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 in the mind, 2 in the hand. 1 after 2, 3. Have to write 3 here. Okay, children. Here 100 plus 5 only is there. Down no number is there. You have to write 5 as answer. 534 rupees, 534, 6 and 63 pies. Understood, children? Come to the next sum. 829 rupees, 25 pies plus 38 rupees and 15 pies you have to add. Okay, children. Pies with pies you have to add. So 5 in the mind, 5 in the hand. 5 in the mind, 5 in the hand. Take 5 fingers, children. What is there in your mind? 5. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to write 0 in one's place, carry on 110. 1 in the mind, 2 in the hand. 1 after 2, 3. 3 in the mind, 1 in the hand. 3 after 4, 40 pies. Now add rupees. 9 in the mind, 8 in the hand. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So what you have to write, children, here? Ones place 7, carry on ones. 1 tens. Now add tens place. 1 in the mind, 2 in the hand. 1 after 2, 3. 3 in the mind, 3 in the hand. 3 after 4, 5, 6. You write answer 6. Come to the 100 place. 8 plus no number is there. So you have to write 8 here. So 8 rupees 867 and 40 pies. Okay, children. Come to the next sum. 516 rupees and 77 pies plus 120 rupees 22 pies. You have to add. Now what I told you, pies you have to add with pies. Rupees you have to add with rupees. So 7 in the mind, 2 in the hand. 7 after 8, 9. 9 you write here, children. Now 7 in the mind, 2 in the hand. 7 after 8, 9. You write 9 here. 99 pies. Add rupees. 6 plus 0. I told you, no? If you add any number with 0, you will get same number. 6 plus 0, 6. 1 plus 2. 1 in the mind, 2 in the hand. 1 after 2, 3. 5 in the mind, 1 in the hand. 5 after 6. Rupees 636. and 99 pies. Remember children, pies are added with pies and rupees are added with rupees. Don't forget to write your answer in rupees and pies. Okay children, here is a small assignment for you children. Solve the following children. You do all these 6 sums as assignment children. We will meet you in next online class.